Hey yo guys, welcome back to another live stream. This is the episode 3 of cargo-tui, cargo-3-tui, cargo. Cargo, man. Cargo. We are so back. You know that meme where you have the we are so back chart? It goes like we are back, we are so back, we are so cooked or whatever. I think we are at the top right now. We are extremely back. Guys, welcome. Erenay, QWERTY, what's going on, my homies? I watched 3 ads. Jesus, what? Damn, I don't have anything to do with that. Um, wait, I might actually have something to do with. Anyways, thank you for supporting the channel. Hi, how are you? Yeah, How are you, man? How are you? Unskippable 30 seconds per ad. Jesus, man. I'm sorry about that, but man, you know you gotta do what you gotta do, man. You gotta eat to survive, you know. But yeah, that sounds very painful. No, don't use any other client. Come on, watch ads. Click on the ads. Come on, guys. Ads revenue. Let's get that money. Let's get the back. Okay, sorry. GitHub sponsors. Good way to support me and support the channel, as if channel is something else than me. If you want to support me and my channel, go on GitHub sponsors. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Let's make him rich. If you make me rich, you're gonna see a lot more open source. Just be sure about that. If I have all the money and all the time in the world, I would do a lot of fucking fun projects, man. That will be my full-time job. You know, soon I need to look for a new job, because you know, like, open source is not paying the bills. Make me rich. Thank you so much. All right, guys. cargo-3-tui. So we are so cooked, because we need to implement a widget now. Yeah, what it is, what it is. It is what it is. No complaining, only grinding. Okay, no complaining, only grinding. I'm trying to like fix my camera. I don't have my own credit card yet, so if I reach to my 18, definitely. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. So, guys, yesterday we did a draft, and we have some kind of a tree widget, but today I'm not gonna wipe code this. Alright, I'm not gonna YOLO this. I'm actually going to use xcalidraw to create a mind map of what I'm trying to do here, because it is a bit difficult to wrap my head around right now. This is my first time doing a tree widget, as if that's something very important. It is important, but like, it's not like a canon moment. It is a canon moment. It's a cargo moment. Anyways, so let me go to an empty spot here. This is the same xcalidraw that we used in the previous live stream. So if you still have the link, you can sabotage my efforts, but don't, please. Thank you. So, guys, let's just think here for a second. All right, let's just think here. What the fuck did I do? I was just trying to like get to the symbols. What just happened? Can I just wait, how do I do that actually? Symbols. No. Okay, where is it? UI UX toggle. Maybe it was in the LSP settings. L symbols outline. There you go. So you probably don't see it because of my video over here, but I'm just gonna create a mind map. So tree widget state. I don't know why this is pink. So we're just gonna do something like this. Tree widget state. Tree widget state, and this has I should have just used the UML diagrams or something, man. This is not very professional, but anyways, we're just gonna YOLO this, right? Open and select. Oops. Open and selected. These are the members of this this object, let's say. And then we have tree widget. We have tree widget that has I'm only gonna list the important ones. Nodes, right? All right, so we have those things, and then we have a state, and state is here. So state has maybe before that I can just have the dependency tree. Okay, wait a minute. Let's have dependency. Dependency. And that has name. Name. And more dependencies. How do I actually make that? Okay, let's say, okay, this thing means it's like nested, right? It's gonna be nested. You got a new sponsor. Thank you for man. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just gonna, as a sign of my appreciation, I'm just gonna send you a little emoji. Thank you. So we have a dependency. And let's have a dependency tree. Dependencies. Okay. So many dependencies happening right now. Let's do this and then dependency tree. Right. And state has okay, this is gonna be the state. Okay, this is the state. And what else do we have? And in this state we also have the tree widget state. There you go. And the UI is completely different from this. So how do we connect between UI and state? There's no clear connection. There's a draw loop or something. Maybe I can just, yeah, this is yeah, I don't know why I used the circle there. Let's do another thing here. So render loop, let's say. Actually, we can do something like this. One sec. I'm gonna just put the render loop here. Or maybe render step. Alright. We need an arrow. Goes here. It takes the state. And then it then goes to it creates a tree widget. Nope. What? and then this thing is just being drawn. And there's another separate thing which handles the key presses. Handle key presses. Yeah, this just updates the state. We can do something like yeah, we can just do something like this basically. And update state. All right, so, and then it goes to render step, and it uses this state to create a tree widget with nodes. And the nodes are basically, why do we use nodes actually? I'll just stash these, by the way. These are not needed. Or maybe let me just keep it this way. I watched 2 more ads. Let's go. Oh my god. Okay, I can just stop the ads for you. I just stopped the ads for 10 minutes. I literally have a button on my live stream panel or whatever, live stream admin thing, and there's like 2 options. One of them is insert ad, so I can just like insert an ad directly to the live stream and make you watch it, which I am not doing. And there's also resume ads or pause ads, so it just pauses the ads for 10 minutes. Yeah, interesting. Hi buddy, Assalamu alaikum. Hey man, alaikum salam. HM fucker Isra, how's it going? Long time no see. All right, so that's the whole render loop. So what is the problem here? So problem is, let me just stash this first. So the problem is we need to update the state based on a key press. So when we press something, we need to update the tree widget state, right? So we need to call these functions. Emojis to fellow Turkish speaking friends. Appreciate the apple water. So great. By the way, I forgot to show you, I'm drinking chai, man. And I have my special cup. If you know this project, you're an OG. Look this up. Also, actual chai, literal chai. I cannot show you. If I rotate this a little bit more, I'm just gonna fucking drop. Just gonna spill it on my laptop. But I'm drinking Turkish tea. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh my god, what a special day, guys. What a special day. We have chai, we have two apple waters. 2 apple waters. Transistor is losing his mind right now. I can see it. Oh my god. So great, so great. Where's Miro? Oh man, I don't have that today. Double it and give it to the next person. Yeah, absolutely. So if I press down it should select the next one. How do we get the next one? We have so we have all these dependencies here, right? There's no indexing or whatever. So that's the problem. So maybe instead of using tree widget state, instead of using this hash set dependency thing, hello from Iran, hello man, it's poppin'. So instead of using dependency, maybe I can just use an index based approach. Maybe that's what I was doing before. One sec. Yeah, so this is index based, and it basically, what is it doing actually? What is it doing? So to move the selection, the nodes are basically dependencies, right? Visible paths. Oh my god, this is so bad. It takes the what the hell? Why is it taking two vectors and mutating both of them? What? Yeah, anyways, it just returns the visible paths, and then point index. Why is it so fucking complicated? What the hell? Yeah, probably just for filtering, or maybe it's using that. Oh my god. Okay, one sec. What about we just debug this to understand? Because I don't want to do that complicated logic. I don't think that's an easy approach. But other than that, how can we actually manipulate the tree widget state? It's open and select it. Yeah, I was just about to do that actually. I was just about to visualize everything, but then changed my mind. Okay, are we actually checking the visible paths? No, this is only doing... This is not checking any Oh, it's actually checking it. State open contains path. So if I run this now, the first one should be selected. Maybe I can, wait, I have an idea. Maybe we can directly track this in the dependency itself. How about we do that? So what I'm saying is basically we can have selected open or something, you know, that would make things easier. But then why do we have tree widget state? Man, it's a bit, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but in that case, why do we have, we'll basically at that point we will mix the state handling with the object. Are these actually unique dependencies? If they're not unique, then it might, yeah. How is this handled in tree widget actually? Tree item. It doesn't have the state here. Yeah, I mean, it seems like it's doing a similar thing. Scroll up, scroll down. I'm afraid that I will also need something like this. See you later, Toma. See you, man. Tree item. Yeah, this is where the rendering happens. Okay, let's give this a try again. So implement actually I'm just gonna remove these. Implement select next, select previous, expand and collapse functions on tree state minimally. Don't change, don't touch state rs too much, I guess, I don't know. And also I wanted to the widget should be self-contained. I don't know. I feel like we're just gonna end up with the same implementation as this. Not this, but this. I should probably split these into different modules, but yeah. Actually, I can just start refactoring it. By the way, Ed Page, maintainer of Cargo, he threw me some issues to think about. So if I get super lucky and finish the tree widget today somehow, we can take a look at these issues, because there's some interesting questions in there. No, yeah. Well, let's see. Added navigation helpers that compute visible paths, ensure valid selection, and support expand collapse behavior directly inside tree widget state. State now simply delegates arrow keys to the widget state, select next, and so on. Alright, let's see. I think this might be alright. So we have some helper functions. We have find dependency. collect visible paths. Visible paths with selection. Ensure selection. What is this? What is this doing? I mean, I think it's kind of alright. We can probably refactor it a little bit, but let's run it first. I mean, it works, so let's run it on rustlang. Fail to get root package name. What? Why? Root package name. Just make it empty or something. Okay, we have some kind of a tree. Can we actually get like nested stuff here? Why there's no like nested stuff here? That's a bit weird. So just to verify, I'm gonna check something. So advanced widget implementation, cargo-tui advanced widget implementation. Let's see. Oh, this has no dependencies. Wait, what happens with this project? We actually have a lot of dependencies here. So we have anyhow. I think this is not collecting everything. Anyhow. There's something wrong, guys. Something is going wrong. I think I need to look into here. The dependencies have dependencies. That's the problem. Recursively. Recursively collect dependencies here. Let's see. Man, this module is getting huge. So for this whole tree thing, we also need to do another thing, which is the scroll method, I think. And scroll is gonna be interesting. Last area. Thanks for the GitHub sponsorship, by the way. I appreciate it. I just saw the email. This is very confusing logic. And to make this more understandable. So where do we actually use this find dependency thing? Oh man, something has happened here. Oh my god. Dependency graph? What? I don't think that's really necessary, to be honest. We can probably just like get the dependencies of dependencies recursively. So what does this thing have? So dependency has name, source, requirement, kind, features, target. Dependency does not have any dependency. What? So how is this getting the dependency? Okay, one sec. Resolve? Oh, we need a resolver? Oh. Dependency graph, okay. And then you basically go ahead and build dependency node. I think this is the recursive function. Yeah. What do you recommend for pretty code? I use prettier and sometimes it uses so much from memory. I also use prettier. I don't know, like what are you writing first of all? This didn't work, by the way. Still get like the same thing. Oh, one sec. Maybe I need to fix these things first. Alright, there we go. We have some kind of a tree going on. So, rustlang. Why anyhow does not have any dependencies? It just doesn't have it. So It works, but it's so ugly. I need to fix this, refactor it, and so on. Can we just do like expand all, maybe? Yeah, let me just expand everything. I don't know who you are and what you're doing, but it seems cool stuff. Thanks, man. I'm just a rat trying to find the cheese. How did you find me? Let me ask you that. Alright, I'm just gonna expand all actually. I don't think I can expand all without having the dependencies. So I need a new key binding, god damn. Maybe A. Yeah, there you go. A random live stream suggestion, interesting. So I pressed A and it didn't expand all the things. Kinda sad. Maybe I should just refactor this thing first before I go on and do more advanced stuff. So I'm just gonna delete that. So guys, we need to break this into modules now because this is getting huge. This is getting huge. I'm gonna create a cargo module. Cargo, and then we will have tui will have I'm just thinking, give me a second. All right, let's have these stuff in the cargo module. Alright, just gonna import stuff here really quickly. So these stuff are now widget stuff, I guess. I can just move this to tree state RS maybe. Yeah, just gonna move these stuff to tree state. Okay. What's the problem? Just the imports. Oh, what did I do? Okay, this should be good. Make these public. Have a good night. Have a good night. Thank you for the sponsorship. Really appreciate it. UIRS. What? Oh, it's in the tui. Okay. Just come on, just build it, come on. Right, I'm gonna restart my LSP because it is just showing errors that do not actually exist. Maybe UIRS, and in the UIRS I just have these functions. I'm gonna just remove this thing and move all of these to here. All right. I think this is gonna be cleaner this way. Draw is not found. Where is the draw? Just make it public. All right. Okay, so it's still working. That's a good sign. We're just gonna go ahead and keep refactoring it, I guess. So one question here. While we are building this, why do we need this? And why do we need visiting? Okay, package map. We're getting out of main RS with this one. Absolutely, man. All right, I'm gonna do something like this. Just gonna document this thing. I'm sick of using my brain. All right, there you go. Add the inner comments to complex parts in. Alright. I just want to understand how this works so that I can refactor it. Only include packages that belong to the current workspace and avoid third-party crates. Cargo method resolve graphlets every node and the package IDs it depends on. Maintain a visiting set per route so we can flag cycles while traversing. So it adds the package IDs. Oh, it just like uses the package ID to fetch the dependency graph. That's, I think I got it. Do you work at Cloudflare? Do you see any unwraps in my code? Do you see any unwraps in my code? Nope. I don't have any unwraps. So I don't work at Cloudflare, man. I only have unwrap or and unwrap or else. Sorry. Shout out to my homies in Cloudflare. They actually use my tool. Let's see if they use Ratatouille. If they use Ratatouille, I'm asking for a large paycheck. Okay, no, they're not using Ratatouille, but I think they were using Gitcliff. Yeah, there you go. They use Gitcliff in multiple projects. They use it here in Pingora. 25k stars. You scroll down, Cliff Tommel. Boom. Boom. There you go. They should sponsor me, man. No, they don't. I actually reached out to them on Twitter. I said, hey, I've seen that you use Gitcliff, blah, blah, blah. And I asked, or I don't know what I said. I didn't just ask for sponsorship. I asked something. They just ignored me. They just ignored me, man. They don't sponsor you because they are too busy. Yeah, I mean, sounds like the truth to me. Package ID. Package map. This code seems fine to me. At least I understood it. Okay, I'm gonna do the same. Document gstate in the same way. It really helps understanding the AI slope. Alright, let's see now. Move the selection to the next visible dependency. Current index. Visible position. Visible paths with selection. Produce all visible paths and adjust the selection when it falls outside the list. Okay, wait. Collects the current expanded view as a flat list of node paths. We use this multiple times. No, but it's recursive. Okay, so it goes through each. Why do we need this? Can I just panic here and see the visible ones, please? Because I need to see it. I need to see what this is actually. What? Oh. I'm tired of using my brain. It's such a 2025 thing to say. We're almost in 2026, man. Come on. Okay, there you go. This is the Jesus. So this is the visible thing. Oh my god. Where's the beginning of this? So this is like the whole thing? My LSP is so weird. It's not... It just stops working sometimes and restart it. Finds a dependency in the tree by walking the provided path. Each segment corresponds to a node at the current depths. Got it. I also need to add a expand all function. Okay, so I think this should start with all the dependencies expanded. Maybe something like this. So, I will do something here. So I'm gonna try to debug this. So if I press space, maybe we should remove duplicate paths like Saturday, filter with version number. Yeah. I don't know. I'll create a debug method real quick. Oh my god, what? What? Oh my god, what is going on? And yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Just gonna debug it. Alright, selected paths, open paths. Oh my god. It's just like select it and open. It's not easy to read. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a dummy project. And I'm gonna add anyhow. Oop. This error. I don't know, Saturday maybe. And then I'm gonna run this binary there. I think this will make it more readable. Yeah, there you go. What is this? Anyhow, Saturday has too many dependencies. So selected path. What did I do? It's a bit weird. Selected path dummy. Open paths dummy. And this error. What? Where the Saturday stuff? Wait a minute. I'm just gonna have anyhow now. I'm trying to understand how the data structure works, basically. So, let me. Yeah. I think I got it. I'm just gonna skip the root one actually. What is this formatting, man? Oh, it's a hash set. There you go. Still showing that. Oh, I can just change the wait. Change the debug implementation for this. Yeah, there you go. This will make things easier for us to debug now. And there you go. Selected path, dummy, open paths, dummy. Wait, this is a bit weird. Just gonna bring back the verbose debugging again. So right now everything is open almost. Selected paths, dummy, this error implementation, prop macro, open paths. What? I'm confused. What? So this is like basically nested. Let's add Saturday. Selected ones are dummy deserve what? Why are they selected? So if I select this error and if I select sin here, dummy deserve implementation sin. Oh, that's the whole path. Okay, it's just the whole path. And the open ones are basically this is the root, this is the root and Saturday. Okay, I think I got it. So the selected path is this, and open path is this is root. These are all the open paths. Okay, got it. Man. It's a bit confusing sometimes. So let's do visible paths. Oh my god, everything is going wrong. What the hell? Can you just run this, please? Oh my god. I get errors everywhere. I get errors left and right, man. What the hell? Okay, this is gonna be interesting now. Visible paths are basically these. Okay, let's do this. Dummy the core, dummy this error. Okay, got it. So it's basically the visible paths. Nothing super exciting here. So in order to expand all, I need to add all the visible paths. No, all the combinations of expand first layer or something. Maybe something like this. Yeah, maybe this would do it. Actually, I need to have a not the first but the second layer. Excuse me. Very rare moment. Hello, God bless you. Thank you. What does this ensure selection thing is doing actually? Ensures the selection points of valid visible node. Do we actually need to do this? Find dependency. I don't think this is doing what I want. Nope. Nope, this is not what I want. Why do you even have the layer here? Hello, people. Welcome to the live stream. We're just debugging Rust and losing our mind. Oh my god, dude. I actually want to like, what am I saying? I want to expand the first visible layer and also the second one. So it's something like what's the song name? It's called Pharmacy Liquid DNB Jungle Mix. Just search for Pharmacy Liquid DNB. Drum and bass. Where's my water? I'm thinking if it actually makes sense to use package ID or something similar for making find dependency and stuff like that easier for us. But not really sure about that. New water brand. No, this is the apple water, man. Come on, this is Magic, man. I only drink this one, alright? Only drink the apple water. Apple water. No worries, no worries. I mean, it seems like it's working. I mean, it's working, but I'm not sure about the YouTube video from Orhun. Yes, exactly. Right now we're listening at 1 hour and 26 minute. Basically the exact timing of the live stream. I think. Yeah, Magic is beast. He's best, yeah. It is, man. I feel like I spend so much time in these modules, man. Oh my god, it's crazy. Anyways, I'm just gonna restart Neovim because it's tripping. So what was our goal actually? The goal was collapse and expand sections. Another thing that I should be doing is adding these styles, because these are like really good Unicode styles. I don't want to use node as a term. I want to use dependencies. Why do I call it nodes actually? I mean, nodes is also like fine, probably. Yeah, it works good together, absolutely. Node as in graph node, yeah. I'm just gonna fix the comments a little bit and commit this. Yeah, no, it makes sense. Yeah, Rust is good, man. Thank you, Isaac Newton. Guys, Newton in the chat. Can we get light bulb emojis for? No, that was Edison. Sorry, my bad. Can we get the apple? Can we get the apple emojis in the chat, please? Thank you. Why so many people watching this stream today? It makes me feel very exposed to the outer world. Maybe people just get like random recommendations of the live stream. I don't know. Apple water is peak. Absolutely, it's so good, man. All right, I'm gonna oh, what did I do? Oh, it's document 3rs2. In Morocco, I saw people writing unit test assertions that constructor returns the proper types. Makes sense to do that, but then for like so unnecessary to do that when you can just have types, you know? Yeah. I don't know, man. Just Python, I guess. I'm just gonna revamp the comments a little bit. Alright, this should be good now, I think. Have you worked on a Linux kernel? No. Actually, let me try to customize the tree widget style. Tree widget. I'm just gonna rename this to tree widget, to be honest. Tree widget. Tree widget. Update the tree widget and style so it is the same as cargo-tui output. Guys, I'm gonna be back in a second. I'm just gonna use the restroom real quick, and in the meantime you can just watch this nice screensaver. Cargo-tui. This is a new tui that I discovered today. It's called, what was it called actually? I totally forgot its name. I shared it today on my socials. What was it? Git log, yeah. Git log. So this is a Git history screensaver. Watch your code rewrite itself. So I'm gonna run this and you'll see what will happen. Alright, it's still writing code. You know what? I can just stream with the screensaver on, and I can just pretend that I'm coding. Yeah, good idea or not? Something like speed and then 100. Oh, it's too fast. Maybe 300. No, this is too slow. 200. 150. Yeah. Guys, I'm coding right now. I'm coding right now. Alright, what's going on? Is it a package label actually? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, looks good, I think. Cargo subcommand. Okay, I can do this. Structure like cargo to communicate how this will get merged in. Nice. I think I will just do that later. Support existing cargo-tui CLI. Benefits. User can tag on tractor to existing call and get the same view. This may require making more parts of cargo, which is fine. For initial prototype, I can see you're using this existing duplicate stuff. Nice. How to handle format. Okay, give different edge types a visual distinction. Let's see. Interesting, okay. Wait, let me just run this. Oh my god. It's so slow. Jesus, it's so slow. Why? Oh my god. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have this open all thing. I don't want to open all actually. Looks good though. Instead of open all, just open till the second layer, dependencies and the dependencies of dependencies. Yeah, I'm gonna actually use some other color instead of bold. Maybe yellow. It colorizes the entire line though. Instead of that, I need to I need to do something like yeah, exactly. Guys, ChatGPT retard brain, yeah, exactly. Guys, what do you think? The prop macro thing is a bit weird, I need to fix that. Where is it actually being? Yeah, format package label. Yeah, instead of name, maybe just label. Yeah, something like this, maybe. from package. I'm gonna sleep right now. Goodbye. Goodbye, man. Thanks for joining the live stream. But the problem is, I think if there's like a lot of text, it gets slow. But I will fix that by fixing the scrolling, I think. And I'm gonna actually I think this is good enough for now. I don't know why there's like 2 dependencies now though. Alright guys, take care. Transistor, I think you have horrible lag on the chat for some reason. Or you maybe just watching from behind or something, I don't know. My YouTube keeps desyncing. Great internet gang, yeah. I actually don't want to have the root node thing. Root label. Where do I actually set that? I don't want to set the root label, but then it looks bad. Looks bad if I don't set the root label. I won't set the root label, so start without indentation. Guys, I'm so tired. Not gonna lie. Nope, I don't like this. Let's see. Now open to depth is not working. Oh, it's because the depth has changed to 3. Okay, there you go. This is completely wrong. All right, there you go. Guys, I am just I don't know what I'm doing right now. Like just doing stuff. Alright, this is my last prompt. Good evening. Ling 0x Ling. How's it going? Just coding with codecs. Got a lot of work to do. Likewise here. I'm so tired. I am so tired. Oh my god. Hello, Gusland Orhun. How's it going, man? Welcome. Guys, this is what I've built. What do you think? Cargo-tui. Thank you. Wipe coded. Partly. I don't know. I need to. I mean, I am reviewing everything, literally every line, but sometimes I wonder if there's a better way to do certain things. But I mean, I don't know. It just works. Who is Vibe? Who is Vibe? Vibe is Codex. Name style, version style, suffix style. Like open code, I don't know what open code is, but I'm basically saying I'm using AI. Using too much AI makes me lose control. Yeah. So far my workflow was something like I write the code and leave some some stuff blank and then use AI and then refactor and then write some more code and leave some stuff blank and then do the same thing again. So that was my workflow and worked fine. Okay, this looks good actually. The only problem is it insists of making this whole line highlighted, but I don't want the whole line to be highlighted. Wait, what? No, this is wrong. Where's the name? Only highlight the name with highlight style instead of the whole line. Yeah, I agree with that take, Gosland. Hey, what's up? Debonair hacker? What's poppin'? I don't like the proc macro style, version style, suffix style. Oh, it's the suffix style, I think. Instead of green, let's do cyan. There you go. How long have you been coding in Rust? I think since 2019. I think this is in good shape. I'm gonna refactor all of this later. Let me record a small demo for this. Actually, I can just use my own tool to record. Like my toaster. What are you working on, by the way? I'm working on cargo-tui, this thing. I'm gonna easy. It's here. I'm gonna post this to Zulip actually. Actually, I can just use Zulip here because these are all public channels. So you can also see these if you join Zulip. So nothing secret, I can just live stream it probably. So I'm just gonna leave a message here. Making some progress. Some questions about questions. Is there a guide for code? Okay. Is there a chill, bro? Is there a guide for is there an expectation or guide for code quality? I'm a bit concerned about that, so and don't if I should document the code. Next step is to work on issues that had created and put the code in good shape. think that's good enough. Also need to work on scrolling and other cosmetic details. Another point is if Alright, I think that's good enough. Hello, what's going on? We're just working on this. So, you know, you have this cargo-tui command, right? I just made it interactive. So that's that, basically. And I'm just like communicating that with the maintainers. Yeah, the repo is there. I just sent a link, couple of messages before. Alright, I think I'm done for today, man. I'm so tired. What's your plan with Carbon? I'll just wait for people, actually. I don't have any plans because I don't think people are really interested in that project anymore. I don't have the capacity to just work on it myself. In case you're wondering what we're talking about, there's this project called Carbonel, which is Chromium in the terminal, and this is kind of unmaintained, so I created this issue and asked people what they think and so on. And we need a core team to initiate the fork, you know, so I need some people, interested people, potentially contributors. Maybe I should ping the contributors. But right now I'm not planning to do anything. I mean, the contributors didn't do much work, I guess. 44 lines. Most of the work is done by this guy. So I don't know, man. I don't know. Also, look at my contribution. I did a great contribution to this project. It is so important. It is super important. Look. Jeez, man. Look at this. Look at this. Without me, you would see this typo. Without me, you would see this typo, and it would be there forever, because this project is now inactive, so you would see that typo forever without me. Yeah, most important contribution ever. But for real though, I mean, I'm literally watching this repo, and I help some people in the issues and stuff like that. I think I remember. But anyways, guys, I think I'm losing my voice. I think I'm getting sick. I hate this. But I mean, I'm not feeling well. We have a rat chef over here. Fuck. RIP. We have a rat chef over here. In case you want to say hi. Rat chef. Charge your batteries, get some sleep. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. If I don't get extremely sick, I'll try to continue to work on this. The code is a mess. It's wipe coded. I don't like it, but I'll fix it. Rat Chef agrees with me. Drink water, get hydrated, keep grinding. I'll see you in the next one. Love you, and goodbye. Yeah, that's appreciated. Thank you, Gusland. I mean, it is in very rough shape though. So it's super work in progress. Also sponsor me on GitHub, guys. Come on, let's get that bag. Let's get that bag. 40 cheese. Come on, guys. All right, I'm gone for real this time. See ya.